As a society, we face unprecedented challenges, scaling our society, scaling our infrastructure, our energy, our education, transport systems, and really we need huge collaboration, and data will help us understand the nature of the problems we're trying to solve and understand how best to solve them together. The Open Data Institute is a data organization. We work with governments, we work with companies to help them understand how to best use data themselves. So we help train individuals on how they can understand data, whether they're journalists, lawyers, procurement officers, policymakers, and we then help build standards and tools that enable them to publish their data themselves. Data revolution to the ODI. One of the ways that we reflect on where we are today is looking at the web. One of the founders of the Open Data Institute is Sir Tim Berners-Lee, who invented the web just over 25 years ago. And over the last 25 years, we've seen a huge revolution in communication. 3 billion people are connected to the web. This will rise to 4 billion this decade. When we think about data, we're really at the beginning of this journey. So over the next 25 years, we ask the question, what will data look like? How will we interact with it? And what scale will we need to operate at? I'm very excited to be in Cartagena at the Data Festival. It's great to see so many people from very different countries and diverse backgrounds and organizations here trying to understand what the potential of data is and how we are going to improve data literacy around the world and work out which specific problems we're going to try and address using data and open data. So I see that the big challenges we face are really around data literacy. So how do we help our politicians, our policymakers, our businesses understand that there is more value in sharing information than there is in keeping it closed? And when we look at what kinds of problems we could solve, whether it's transportation infrastructure, whether it's energy security, whether it's climate change, whether it's antibiotics, there are a whole range of different issues which we can address using open data. In fact, our research shows that open data is relevant to every sector. So really it's about everybody getting involved.